Hello everyone, this is Prashant. Welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to speak about the how to get a more than 25 LPA as software tester. So many people putting for various jobs, but my role is software tester. So I want to guide you the career path. Okay. So you can ask me what is your salary. So I can't reveal my exact salary because due to my agreement with my current company. But I have 8 year experience total. I'm plus 8 plus right now. So this 25 lakhs LPA I achieved in fourth year. It took 4 years for me. You cannot get in the first year because my world started in 2016. So that time I after around 2020 only I got my 25 salary. So again 21st came. But now right now the industry has got changed. So I'm going to give you the career path in the software testing. Okay, completely. Let's start. Okay. So this one is for both fresher and experienced persons. So I am categorized very well in the various categories, and this is for both manual tester as well as automation testers. Okay. So what is the first and foremost thing means the path. So you want to know the end goal, what you're achieving. So based upon that only you will going to start where you want to start. So in as I told you, there are two categories. One is manual tester and automation tester. You can ask which one I want to select. No, current trend is you one person want to do both the things. Okay, manual testing has so many varieties types, automation has so many varieties, but as a software tester you want to know both the things. Okay, first is manual tester. So you want to know the basic function testing, API testing, performance, security, and all the agile methodologies in the market. That is the main thing. That is the target you want to achieve. Next is automation. In automation, first you want to select one programming language and you want to expertise in the language. Okay, at least basic data structures at least. And next one is you have the capacity to create automation framework independently. Then third one is there is a DevOps team independently available in every company, but you want to know the basics as from tester's point of view. Okay, what is the demand and salary? Generally, its current trend is until you are become bigger, the maximum of manual tester is 15 to 18 lakhs. In good companies also for manual testers. The automation or estates, we call it as automation as estate companies will vary the destination. They are getting up to 25 to 30 LPA. That is a market trend right now. So if you want to understand what the trend is, for automation systems 25 to 30, manual test is 80. But company is expecting both from a single person. Okay. Next one is current trend skill set. So don't need to worry like if I'm taking API testing means you don't want to select all three. At least select one in each category. Okay. So if you're selecting API testing means select either Postman, REST Assured or Playwright API. Select any one and try to achieve it. Next one is automation. In the automation, there are Selenium is the very grandfather for everyone. Playwright and Cypress are little latest one. So select one. Like if you are already know means fine. If you new selecting means go with Playwright then come to Selenium. Okay, all because it is less code. Okay, next one is language. Don't need to worry about which language to select. Select first one language, either Java, either Python or TypeScript. If you are starting from scratch, go with Python or TypeScript because Java automatically will catch up this one. Okay, and the main thing of the what is the catch up 25 LPA, 25 lakhs per annum? Which one is performance testing? You can do the manual testing easily. Easily means with the everyone crowd is higher. If you take automation tester, everyone knows, most of them in the industry they know Java Selenium. But what is the next category? Performance tester, because here 80% of never get a chance to in a real time experience performance testing. There is a one small team will be always be there. That team will do the form testing. The remaining the huge crowd will do the manual and automation. But if you started learning performance testing and you got only one project in your entire career as a performance tester, then you got experienced. Then easily you can demand everyone in the industry like 25 LPA. Okay. So next, the skill set. Right now I told you the roadmap. So how to set a skill set for each category? I divided the category into three places. One is fresher from 0 to 2 years. This is like after the college. Okay. So in this, first you want to take the manual testing. It is very easier. Even if I always says you take 1 week is enough to learn a automation testing, but it will take 3 to 4 years to become a real manual tester because manual testing is experience. Okay, not like studying. For studying, it's very simple. Only theoretical concept. 1 week is enough to learn a manual testing. But you want to become a manual tester, that takes huge 3 to 4 years to understand the real importance of testing. Okay, first is manual testing, AP testing, SQL, and test case designs. So these are the things you want to focusly the skill sets for manual testing. Next one is mastering anyone, either cell name Java or cell name with Python or playwright with TypeScript. Okay, these are the industries like playwright and cell name are both the super duper job giving frameworks. Okay, next one is once you started knowing the coding means, next one is you want to know the Git, you want to know the Jenkins and CACD from the Docker. Okay, so these are the next level of after the creating a code. The final one for the fresher is you don't until you getting a job. Don't think like only reading you will get a job. No, you want to create a personal projects. Take any one project from the Google or anywhere, or freelancing project, or attending any taking the freelancing projects and helping there or contributing to the open sources. Then only you will get a good salary, at least more than 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs or 20 lakhs. Don't think like I studied it, I will get a job. No, for software testing you want a real experience. So until someone is giving a job from a company, you will go and get it from the freelancers or somewhere. Okay, or even helping for the seniors or other companies as a secondary worker also is fine, because you will get a lot of experience. Next one is the most confusing is 3 to 5 years. What's the confusion is, in my experience, with me almost 20 people joined and I was cognizant. Okay, so in my second year completion, almost 50% went off to the other markets. Some people went for data science, some people went for developer, some people went for government jobs. Okay, 3 to 5 years, like literally after 2 years only, some people will believe I'm a software tester, some people believe I'm not worth for this software testing. So the 3 to 5 years is more confusing, yes. Okay, at the time you choose this is your life means, that time we go to the topic. One is automation framework. In this, once you know the automation testing means, next thing is you want the independent ability to create an automation framework with any development, with from scratch, without anyone's help. That is the that mid-range category. Next one is you want to know set up the integration of Jenkins or GitHub actions, at least one CI/CD without anyone's help. Third one is gaining a knowledge on cloud testing. So mostly nowadays cloud testing, in the sense we are using Lambda testing, browser stack. There is various good cloud-based companies is there. So you want to started using that ones, and you want to know the Docker containerizations. This one we don't need much into the project. We don't get a direct access, but we need to start it building up some knowledge. Okay, so this is the mid-range guys. Next one is the senior level guys. So you already know the framework, you already know the coding. Then what is the senior level means? This is the more important architecture and test strategy. Why I'm telling is, if you know Java Selenium, you can go and create a framework. But from your point of view, that is a mid-level guy. If you are a senior guy means you want to understand the project. Your project is more latest, like completely React, uh, like super performance based. It is click it goes means you want to know the strategy, which kind of automation framework you want to select. This is the kind of management work. When you're senior means you want to take a decision, which framework, which language I want to select for my project, my application. Suppose you are in banking company, the banking is very slower. They won't do faster update, or they won't change as sooner means you cannot go to the playwright. Playwright won't give that much super, because it will makes not that much, not a good companion. You want to go to the old frameworks. Okay, so this kind of decision taking based upon your job that day, or which company you're working, the way of the company's application, the performance of the application, you want to decide which one you want to select. That kind of place is the strategy senior level. You want to take a decision. You cannot go with what programming language you know, because that is won't work. Okay, but that is a mid-level or freshers idea. Okay, next one is performance testing. I told you, when you are in a senior level, you want to do a manual, you want to do a strategy, you want to think in a performance testing manner, like how I can test my application, how I can contribute to the company level. Okay, next one is Previously, the freshers and mid-level people can say, I know only Java, I know only Python, or I know only JavaScript or TypeScript. But when you are a senior, you cannot say such a word. You want to say, you want to know all the mandatory languages like Python, Java, TypeScript, JavaScript. And any languages comes, you are the, you, because why I'm telling means, this and all, if you know only, you can able to take a decision which language, which framework would suit for my application. So if you don't know the only language means you cannot take a decision because you will only go with a like only single side. Okay. Next one is the design discussions. How I can explain this one means freshers don't know what is the company's target next 1 year or what application going to improvise next month. Even mid-range people, not everyone knows. But as a senior, you want to be in the company's discussions. You want to know what is the next 6 months, what is the next 1 year, our application going to modify or migrate. You want to be in that discussions. You want to give your suggestions, how you can improve the application, how can improve our project. This kind of management level work is a senior work. Okay, and who can get a 25 lakhs easily means the 6 plus, because that they are directly eligible. If you are eligible as a content and you are knowledgeable, even little bit tougher for the mid-range people to achieve 25 LPA, but that is possible, not a not possible thing. Okay, for fresher it's still tough to achieve 25 LPA, but as a fresher you can up to 15 to 20 lakhs you can bargain. Okay, so this is the skill set everyone should want. Okay, the next one is the most important one. So target high paying companies. Okay, you cannot achieve, you cannot go to the small company, you can ask this high paying salary. You want to target the companies. I have categorized into 3 category: product based, unicorn startups, MNCs. The product based companies is all the established companies all over the world. They are super duper companies. Okay, they are already achieved their target. Okay, so but if you are a learning curve, because everyone knows I worked on Amazon, I worked on Walmart in this product based companies. There you cannot learn new things. You can see so many things. You have more features already set up there. You are going to use it much, because I love to work in startups. Okay, so mine is like, even current my startup is Abacus AI, is a company, is startup. Okay, so here this startup don't know what is next year, what is 3 years it existing or not even knows, no one knows. Even the job category like job safety also we can handle, but here you can decision, you can learn new things faster. You want to implement, not only learning is here, you want to implement, and your cycle of this release is very smaller. You want to release faster. Anytime company will revamp, change the direction. Suppose one direction is not work, so always the startup is more fun. And the MNCs, mostly in MNCs, this is kind of bigger companies. You will get a job easier compared to with the startup and product based companies. MNC is a little easier comparatively, but you can't expect a pay scale sooner. Okay, the pay scale will be slowly, gradually, because the crowd is little higher compared to the startup. Startup will, in my company there are only 2 testers right now. We were in that one product, another product we have only 2. We do both manual, automation, whatever it asked, we are going to work on. That's why this startup works. Okay. Next one is, how can I apply and get noticed? This is trickier one only. It's a little bit luck also. Sometimes works. So many times like we keep on like dragging someone. First one is LinkedIn. The most companies take from profile from you. So always as professionalism as well. Keeping a LinkedIn account, and you are keep on posting a new things, what you researched, what you studied. Like not only having a account or going to apply companies, that is one portion. What's the other portion means, you want to create your own profile as a good followers, how to make a good content. So you want to post new things, what you're learning, what is the latest trending is coming, follow them and read about them. So those things. Okay, and direct company referrals. And in LinkedIn only, every company employee is there. So if you are applying for a company, go and talk to some of the company's employees if they are accepted your joining, connect. Okay, then you can speak with them, let a connect. IT is a connection. Okay, so you want to build up connection. This connection is not only once ends today, it will come lifelong. Okay, and showcase your portfolio. I have a GitHub account, I will give my GitHub account to everyone, like seeing my frameworks. I have small blogs, but nowadays blogs are little getting reduced. And even if you want to explore, it means you want to come to the YouTube as well to keep some channel and posting your new studying, take some videos to freshers or someone want to help. Okay, these are the ways we can get apply and noticed. There are two things. No, apply means you are applying someone. Notice, it means someone are looking to me. Okay, so you want to create that one. Both you want to apply and as well as you want to make others to attract you to give you a job. Okay, so next is how to crack the interview. The best thing is this: you are upskilled, you are studying everything, but how you can, means preparation is the most thing. Even it's not a one day thing, it takes time. And like other job, like even doctors, you see they keep on studying. Even they become a doctor same way. Even you get a job also, still I'm studying in my days. Okay, so if you want to manage test, means you want to always, after we saw all the skill sets what we need, you want to prepare again. Okay, until you getting a real experience. Not everyone, right? Even though when we are schooling we are studying for the exam, we will again refresh, right? Why? Already even you know, but why you are studying means you want to refresh your brain. Same way, until you getting a real experience on any product, either in manual or an automation or specific tool, you want to keep on redoing the same thing until you are getting the real experience. Okay, and for the automation people, go and learn the data structures. That is the main thing. We have so many things like lead code is there, hacker rank is there, and nowadays you don't want to be a developer level data structure. That is unnecessary in my knowledge. Know the basic data structures. Even so many lead codes are and hacker rank questions are already solved by someone in the YouTube. You can go and see those videos, get used to it, how they calculating order of and time, space, everything. Okay. Next one is mock interviews. If you are in a batch of friends, just do it yourself. Okay, like real time mock interviews, and never hesitate to attend interviews. In my entire experience of interview, I almost attended 200 interviews. In this, only 30 to 40 I cracked it, but the all 30 to 40 are bigger companies. Smaller companies I never cracked it. Still, I never felt bad. Okay, that day I fell in small company, so one day I got a big achievement in a big company. So even don't think as a small company. Go and attend the small companies also. Get an experience and start noting the interview questions on each interviews. Then only you are able to, one day you see the interview question never changed. Only the answer got changed based upon your experience. Okay. Next one is interview rounds preparation. Mostly I'm manual tester as functional testing, SQL, agile and AP related questions. That is the old question will come. Okay. For automation tester, mostly coding round will happen. Any either way, or mostly first one is nowadays online testing is happening. Then one selenium round like framework creation, those kind of interviews will happen. For senior level role, they will ask to create a framework. That's the mostly senior level role, and they will ask about you how your strategies, how you will create a strategy. Like this is your case. In this one, how you will create a strategy. Okay, that is the preparation one. Okay. Next one is negotiations. Some people ask me, I got a HR call. HR is asking, what is your expectation? What I can say? Take an example. Suppose you are getting 10 lakhs. That moment, when HR is calling and asking, what is your expert salary? Never say your number. You simply says, it's negotiable. That's it. You cannot confirm your what is expectation. Simply says, because why I'm telling this, suppose you are getting a 10 lakhs, you are quoting a 15 lakhs to the HR. Okay, HR saying okay, and you got clear the interview, you went to the job. When you go into the job and you got to know the colleagues of you all are getting 25 plus, but you are also going to the same doing the same work what your colleague and you are doing, but you are getting 15 lakhs. Why? Because like that's why it works. How do you manage this one means, never think what is your current salary is your target salary. Whatever the company you're applying, in that company, what is that role of the employee is getting the salary. Mostly the companies, even Glassdoor is, that's why Glassdoor, Levels, Ambition Box, this and all. Some people put some brand, like, provided their original informations, like SDET 1 getting this salary, SDET 2 getting this salary, around this average means you want to target that only, because from your current, never think like from I'm getting 10 lakhs, I can ask 30 percentage means 13 lakhs, my salary will increase. No, because for me, from my one company to one company, I moved 6 lakhs to 18 lakhs in my third year. Okay, see this 3 times, 300 times. So that's what you cannot know what is the company role is providing. So if you say less means HR will say okay, they will get happy, they will say okay, you get offer. So that's not the way. You just wait in the final interview, in the final after the completing of all the rounds. That time you can reveal, and because obviously they will provide it because you done a research for that role. The entire company is providing the package, so they will obviously give you. Okay, and always helps multiple offers. Why I'm telling multiple offers? Uh, this is not no never think that's a wrong. You want to get multiple offers and you want to bargain because you are bargaining for yours. Never worried. I said something to that HR. I was they are expecting me. So what can I say? Means here, not only you are applying for the job, in the hundreds of thousands of people applying for the job. Okay, you are the one right now who's there. Okay, so you are the person who's got elected, got an offer. So you have that advantage to negotiate better. Okay, and tell about your unique skills. Suppose they are expecting one Java cell name or Python cell name means you want to say like you are expecting Java cell name, but I can know the AP testing results. I know the performance testing as well. Tomorrow, if the work comes, I have the upskill, I have a skill, I can able to work that as well. So that kind of things you want to say. If they ask one, you want to give 3 to 4 extra. So always extras matters in negotiations. Okay, how to handle the difference mostly. If you are like if the company is providing very less means if the company has that is a capacity. If they have proper justification, the skill means only thing you cannot stay. You don't want to stay because the company has that kind of able to provide. Okay, they cannot make you double from the current employee. Otherwise current employee won't be there next once you join there. Okay, so see the company level. If it is justified, you can ask. If they're not able to justify, don't need to worry. Okay, and the confident of means never worried about I'm worthy or not. First of all, you want to believe you are a worthy means then only you get a confident. Some people says they call me, I'm like, can I ask this package? They can give. I said like you want to first of all you want to believe. They are giving or not giving, that is secondary or third category. Okay. First thing you want to believe I'm worth for this package. Okay, so if you give me the salary, I'm able to give you this return to the company. So that's where the confidence comes. Okay, first believe yourself. And the conclusion is come to the conclusion. So before I'm going to conclusion, I'm telling. So we get so many questions. What I'm going to do, people who are putting a comment or asking any other questions around this, I will create a separate videos on the comments because if I reply in the comment means only the one person can know the question and the answer. I'll try to create a short videos about the question, about the comments of question, and I will try to put a new video on it. So key takeaways, first thing is roadmap. First, then skill set. Apply, prepare well. That's it. You saw the first 4 slides. Go to the roadmap, read and upskill yourself, apply for the company, prepare. Okay. And 25 LPA is easily achievable for 25th year, 2025. Because so many people, if you're calling itself, simply they asking, sir, we are providing 30 lakhs. Are you okay? If you're crossing 5 years, that is enough. Most of the companies, even 3 years also, they are asking, we are providing not even 30, so are you okay? So I'm getting so many calls even still. But my package is crossed that day. But I'm telling why I'm putting this video is, I got to know even everyone, even freshers also getting a call for 25 LPA. So that's why I'm telling. Even I want to say everyone, like I told my friends of my college because I always teach for freshers. So I'm telling everyone like 25 is very simple. Okay. And consistency. What is the consistency means? Don't think I got a job, I don't want to study. You want to survive in IT means not only solve tester, any role, you want to keep on upskilling. Otherwise, next day you are not in that place. Okay. So the call of action is subscribe for more guidance videos. I try to put more videos. Even I'm trying to create more series YouTube. So I'm keep on doing it. So in the mostly on playwright only, because Selena so many people are doing. So I'm trying to bring a new topics with AI. Okay, and if you have questions, put me in the comments. I will give you a new video. Thanks for watching.